All right, welcome to the daily recap video. Just going to kind of show you guys trades that I took during the London session here. Was entered this trade here, and then my internet kind of blipped out on me. So just kind of logging back in. So you guys can see I am. We had a structure shift to the upside there. We broke through the 40, 15,140. So look for the trade back into that 132.25 area, just below that volume imbalance there. Although there is a volume imbalance below that one on the 1 minute chart. But so anyways, look for an entry right here in that 132 area. It's getting a little bit of lag right there, as you can see on that left side. The chart was not moving, and then all of a sudden it started moving. But anyways, this is one of the trades that we took right here during the London session for the silver bullet setup. Wasn't very happy with how I managed this trade for whatever reason. I don't know. I didn't trust it 100%. So, but let's just take a look at it, see what we get here. Get a little drawdown here, trading back into that fair value gap. Just thinking to myself that we needed to hold the VWAP there on the 3 minute chart. As you can see, it kind of repainted that volume imbalance over there on the 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart's on the right side of the screen here, on the apex side, and the 3 minute chart is on the step 2 side for top step. So I decided I'm just going to kind of target 10 handles here. I was looking to get filled here at 42.50 for the long, and I don't know, for whatever reason, I was just, price action was not, it wasn't moving. The price wasn't moving as quickly as I wanted it to, which, never really happens. But let's just watch. I'm going to talk about the day before trades while this kind of plays out here. So the day before, I took a $1,000 loss all in Top Step. We were very busy here. I am on vacation, so I didn't post a recap video the day before. But just with full transparency, just telling you guys that, I did take a $1,000 loss on Top Step there and kind of set myself back a little bit. And we did blow one of the Apex accounts. I think it was, so this account here is new. So just fell apart. I decided to trade the New York session, and I just kind of fell apart there. So as you can see here, we're up $500-600 on the Apex account, and then up $200-300 on the Top Step account here. And I don't know. I move my stops up there, and I take off the 4 of the 5 contracts on the Apex account. Not quite sure why I did that, and then I moved my stop up to break even here. Now, obviously, if you're taking the silver bullet setup here, you're not supposed to move your stop to break even until you break that swing high to the left there. So I'm not supposed to move my stop to break even until we break that 40, 41 level, 42 level there. So we don't follow the rules, and we end up getting stopped out here. Still for profit, but this trade could have been much, much larger. So just kind of frustrating. But yeah, yesterday I took a loss there on the Apex account, so we ended up kind of blowing that one up. The thing is, I'm not really trading those Apex accounts the same way I'm trading the Top Step, because I feel like, they're so cheap right now for the 90% off, which is not the way I should be trading them. But that's what I'm doing, just being honest with you guys. So here are the trades that we took today on the Top Step, Step 2. So you can see that we were up $11, I guess, coming into the morning here. I got long right here out of open at that 948 area, looking for this move up, and took a little $50 scalp. On all of these scalps this morning, I really kind of overtraded. Just took small winners, 50 there, 40 there, 65 here, 100 here. And then this was the silver bullet setup here this morning. And you see we got 10 handles out of this move, but as you can see, trades back up into it. Let's switch over to the 1 minute chart so you can see it a little better there. Get back to our morning. entries here. All right, here we go. So you can see we took out the high there. We have a structure shift to the downside. So we cleared this swing low and this swing low. Boom. We leave a fair value gap here, also one up here. I take the entry on the lower fair value gap. Of course, we trade almost back into the top one. Then we sell off, and I take 10 handles. Could have got 20 handles out of that right here. Then kind of chops around a little bit here, trades back up into this gap one more time, and then we have a nice little sell off. So could have held it through all this, and then held it through the sell off, and then we went all the way down to 84. So that would have been a nice little, I don't know, about 65 handle move there. And that's the thing I've got to get better at. I've got to get better at holding these trades longer for bigger moves. So I'm not going to be trading the session Monday or Tuesday, but we'll be back trading the New York session on Thursday. I don't think I'm going to trade on Wednesday either in the New York session. But on Thursday, we'll be back with the live streams during the New York session, 9:30 a.m. to 11 a.m., something like that. I will probably trade the London session on Tuesday night, but that'll be about it. So if you guys are interested in trading futures, I do have an affiliate link for Top Step, currently at 90% off. There's the code in the banner at the top of the screen. So if you're interested in that at all, use that code to get yourself 90% off. It's good through July 6th, and then that will end. So I don't think you're going to get a cheaper price on Apex anytime soon after that. So we'll definitely take advantage of that if you're interested. So if you're not already, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment down below, and I'll see you next time.